everyone, Minnie's Handbags here, and welcome back to another unboxing video. Today guys, I am finally ready to share a bag that I picked up from Michael Kors during their Black Friday sale. So if you want to see the bag that I got, then please go ahead and make sure to stay tuned. If you guys are new here, or if you are a returning viewer and you have not yet clicked that subscribe button, please go ahead and do so. It lets me know that you enjoy my content, and it also keeps your girl in rotation with YouTube. And to all of my new subscribers, thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel and tuning in. And to all of my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. Your girl is super close to 1K. I am super excited, and I have all of you to thank for that, for subscribing and taking time out of your busy day to tune in to another one of my videos. Now, as you guys can see from the title, your girl did pick up something from the Michael Kors Black Friday sale. First, I hope everybody had a safe and happy holiday. So I did pick up one item from Coach and one item from Michael Kors. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the item that I picked up from Coach. It is in this bag, and if you happen to be in the Coach store over the weekend, or the Coach outlet stores, they had gift box that you can put your items in. So of course your girl put hers in a gift box to share with you guys. Now, this particular item I did mention I was going to pick up to go with a bag that I already have in my collection. So this is how it came. This is the receipt. And I feel like when it comes to Coach SLGs, you can never go wrong. Even if you don't like the bag, you can always get an SLG. So it is none other than the corner zip wristlet with the gold hardware. This is, I believe, in the color True Red, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, so this is in the color True Red, and it is the pebbled leather corner zip wristlet. That is the card for it. These were $29. I did see some of the new corner zip wristlets that came out, so I did say I probably will go back and pick up a few more of these. You can't really beat the price right now for them to be $29. I did pick this up to go with, I picked it up to go with this bag right here, which is my Coach Varsity bag. And I believe the color on the Varsity bag is bold red, but this is True Red, so still match pretty good. I'm assuming that all the bold red was sold out at my store, but I just picked this one up. I figured it would still go with it. It still looks good, so I'm super excited about having pretty much the whole matching set, because I have the Nolita, and I also have the zip card case. So I have a nice little set to pair with this bag. So I am excited about that. And of course, all the hardware on the items are gold except for the Nolita. That one has silver hardware, but I'm still fine with it because it's going to be inside the bag. Okay. Now moving on. I am so excited because for Michael Kors, they had their Black Friday sale going on earlier in the week before Black Friday even hit. And I saw this particular bag in this particular color, and I was like, yep, let me go ahead and order this bag. I already have multiples of this bag in my collection already from Michael Kors. So if you know the bag that I picked up, go ahead and jot it down below in the comments. Let me see how well you know your girl. Let me grab my scissors so we can go ahead and get into the unboxing. It is sitting right here. I will try to keep this in frame. But let me know down below, guys, if anybody else went out and about Black Friday shopping. Yesterday, me and my mom, because today is Saturday, we went to drop off my nephews. We met his mom, and on the way coming back, my mom wanted to stop off at the mall to check out Dillard's, Belks, and a few other stores, so that's what we did. I did see a few bags that I have been eyeing in Dillard's, as well as on the Coach and Belks website. The price wasn't enough to make me go ahead and pick up the bag, so I'm gonna wait and see if it goes on a better sale during the Christmas holiday. As you guys can see, this is a pretty big box. I'm trying to keep it in frame so that you guys can see, but this is how it came packaged. Alright, so it has a good amount of bubble wrap. So let's go ahead and take it out of the box so I can share with you guys what the bag is. Alright. And here is the sticker for it. And it is none other than the Hamilton, guys, in the powder blush color. Now, I do have a few SLGs already in the dark powder blush. I did order the wristlet, so I am waiting on the wristlet to come in. But until when that does come in, I will share the wristlet with you guys and how it looks with the bag. But y'all, I am super excited. And I probably could have picked this up in store, but I like unboxing my stuff. And even though Michael Kors do have their still factory wrap in the back, I just like actually opening up my boxes and taking it out and seeing it. Let me know if y'all feel the same way down below. But yes, y'all, here she is. My gorgeous Hamilton. This is the medium Hamilton in the powder blush color with the Michael Kors signature. I just love this lock and key on the front, y'all. It is absolutely gorgeous. Now, of course, the Hamilton has 4 feet on the bottom. This one has all gold hardware. And this powder blush in the signature is just so pretty, y'all. Now, I do already have a powder blush bag in my collection from Michael Kors. I will share that with you guys in a few minutes, but that one is called dark powder blush. This one is just called powder blush. Okay, so let's go ahead and take all the wrapping off because she will be staying in my collection. All right, so that is what she looks like on the side. She does have D-rings on both sides. You can wear this as a crossbody if you wanted to. You guys know whenever I wear crossbody, I prefer my D-rings on the side like this instead of on the handle crisscross. I just don't like it that way. Now, I will go ahead and throw the measurements up on the screen for you guys as well too, so that you can see what the measurements are for the medium size Hamilton. All right, so this is the crossbody that goes to the bag, and I will go ahead and put it on the bag just so that you guys can see what it looks like. Now, I don't know that I would wear this size Hamilton crossbody, but if I had to, I do like the thought that it is on the side. It'll make it convenient. Or if I can convert this into a short shoulder and wear it as a short shoulder instead, but that's just what it looks like attached to the bag. Now, the scrap on here is pretty skinny. I don't know. I've been thinking about getting the web one from Michael Kors because I just like how thick it is. And if they have like an all white or cream color one, I may go ahead and pick that up to pair with this bag. Now, this is what it looks like in the inside. It does have that lining in the inside. You do get a back zipper compartment. This is a snap magnetic closure. and there are no pockets on the front interior wall of the bag. So the only storage you get in the Hamilton is that bag zipper compartment. But this bag is so big for it to be a medium that you really don't need more storage than that, especially if you use the pouch system. Okay. And this bag can be worn as a top handle, if I didn't mention earlier. I love how the handles lay down on the Hamilton as well. So if you did want to use this as a crossbody or short shoulder, the handles won't get in the way because you can lay them down. Now let me grab my other bag from Michael Kors that has the same signature, and it's supposed to be dark powder blush and powder blush. So let me grab the tag so that you guys can see what color they're calling it. And I want to compare the colors because I really feel like this is the same as that color. That's what I feel like. I feel like this is the same color. So this one is supposed to be dark powder blush, and it's the medium duffel. So that is the tag. So you guys see that it says dark powder blush, but where? Because it looks the same color to me, y'all. Y'all let me know. It looks exactly the same color. I don't see a difference in the color between the Hamilton and my duffel, but maybe they're calling the color dark powder blush because the MKs are a darker shade of pink. Maybe, I don't know, but the background color is the same, and the MKs are the same color on both bags, but this is dark powder blush and this is just regular powder blush. So it is what it is. If anybody was interested in wanting to know the difference between the two colors, I don't really see a difference. Let me know down in the comments if you see a difference between the two colors, because I don't. I do have a wallet in the dark powder blush color, and the wallet to me looks like it could be a dark powder blush because the MKs, you can clearly see how dark the MKs are on the wallet compared to how they are on the bag. Now this looks like a dark powder blush to me, and the top half looks like powder blush like the bag does. So I don't know. Michael Kors, let us know. Let us know. Okay, so I do have a matching wallet. I am waiting on the wristlet, so I will have a set when the wristlet comes, so I can mix and match my wallet between the bags, so both bags. So I absolutely love that. But yeah, I picked this bag up for under $100, y'all. Super excited that I was able to pick up a Hamilton for that price, especially this color, because you guys know pink is a very popular color. So it's really cool when you can pick up a beautiful bag for under $100 and still get a nice large size bag. This is a medium, but even though it's a medium, it holds like it's a large. I absolutely love it. Let me know down in the comments if you guys have any Hamiltons in your collection, and if so, how many do you have? This actually makes a total of 4. As you guys can see, I do have the poppy, I also have the jungle green, and then you might can see a little piece of the golden, what is it called? Golden yellow, I believe. Don't get me to making up colors, y'all, because your girl will. Golden rod, that's the color. This beautiful golden rod. So as you guys can see, I do love the Hamilton. It is an absolutely gorgeous bag. So now I have 4 Hamiltons in my collection. So let me know if you guys were able to catch any of the Black Friday sales from Coach, Michael Kors, Dooney and Burke, any of your other favorite sites. Let me know down below. And thank you guys so much for taking time out of your busy day to tune into this video. please make sure to go ahead and like it. Make sure to subscribe if for some reason you're not already subscribed. And then also make sure to leave a nice comment down below. Don't forget to click that bell. That way you're always notified every time I upload new content. And until the next time, guys, please make sure to stay focused and determined on achieving your goals for the day. And I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye.